Project CAD architecture offers a similar to AutoCAD look and feel and 100% DWG file format. You get the benefits of BIM technology not renouncing the industry standard format, as you work directly with the DWG file format. For instance, other BIM software exploit different formats that will further require a conversion, as it is for example with Revit and its extension RVT. In Project CAD architecture, you handle with the same AutoCAD commands, such as mirror, extend, polyline, and other generic CAD features, which you are so accustomed to. The polyline enables you to create an object of any shape, and to generate then a parametric object out of it, such as, for example, a roof or a slab. Your work in the plan view is just the same as if you were designing in AutoCAD. Project CAD architecture allows to quickly select necessary objects using the AutoCAD-like properties palette, and then modify them. For instance, here we select all the walls and assign a color that we choose to them. You perform your work in 2D, then you can switch to 3D to see the results. The software will automatically create a 3D model of your project. Grips and snaps are designed to help you create shapes you want. The program automatically creates junctions, allowing realistic merge of the walls. A 30-day full and free trial version of Project CAD architecture is available at projectsoft.com/en/architecture.